warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Chelsea.
My name is Nabila. My name is Ayu.
My name is Daha.
My name is Nisa.
We are class 7B and
from
Jawa, Surabaya. We are group 2 and we will be presenting about possessive adjective and examples.
Possessive adjective is an adjective used to indicate a sit-out position of an object by someone. Any possessive adjective negative identification can be on.
The next is correspond it is our. And third thing, correspond to possession of subject pronouns. I, you, she, it, we, they. And are used indicate to function of person, object, or concept as in my car, their house, and your idea.
Examples possessive adjectives, sentences, and their meanings.
That's all for today. We apologize if we have mistakes. Can you makan tomat? I love you so much.